Phenomenal Mount Kelud 2007. Recently, Mount Kelud with its village green lake is becoming national and international object of interest for its unique natural phenomenon, the emerging lava dome on its crater. The gorgeous scenery from the after climbing about 1000 stairs to the one of peaks. Reaching the gate of Natural Park of Kelud, after a long trip, we can rest for a while at shops which offering local special foods and souvenirs. Located on 45 kilometers from the main town of Kediri, offering an amazing journey for visitors to visit. As status of Kelud rises, people on 5 km perimeter of Mount Kelud are evacuated to Safer Haven. The heterogeneity of Kediri support them all the way. A natural phenomenon from Kelud eruption is the appearing of lava dome. This black creature emerged from the crater onto the lake surface, and up to now it reaches 120 meters in height and 300 meters in diameter, almost occupies 2/3 of the lake.